What's up, guys? Nathan Waitinas at Thayer Honda here, bringing you my certified pre-owned pick of the week, this beautiful 2018 Accord EX. Let's take a look at this thing. So what we've got here today is a 2018 Accord, just over 30,000 miles on it. Now it is certified pre-owned, so you've got 7 years, 100,000 miles of coverage for your powertrain, and an additional 12 months, 12,000 on your limited bumper-to-bumper coverage. Beautiful crystal black pearl. Really like the dual chrome exhaust finishing right down there. And of course, beautiful alloy wheels all the way around. Now, this Honda Accord EX does come standard with the Honda Sensing Suite. So that's driver assistive features like your adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, and collision mitigation braking systems. So up here, you've got your camera that works in conjunction with the radar unit, which is located right down here. And that's going to be giving you all of those great benefits. Makes your drive a lot more comfortable. One of the things I love about the Honda Accord is just the look of the front end. It's got a nice aggressive look, but still classic styling. Beautiful fog lamps. You've got your LED daytime running lamps here, as well as your refractor beam headlights. And nice LED fog lamps as well. So let's take a look on the inside of this car. So first of all, if it weren't running already, you would be able to walk up with your smart entry. By the way, do have remote start on there standard as well. The driver's seat is one of the most comfortable seats that you can get. So you've got tons of adjustability, four-way lumbar support adjustment, and I just really love these cloth seats. You know, I'm more of a leather fan myself, but just the texture of these, very, very well done. Honda has such high craftsmanship quality. You've got soft touch materials all the way across here as well. By the way, this faux wood finish, absolutely beautiful. Has a lot of texture to it. So we're going to take a look inside of here. So the infotainment system that Honda has, very, very user-friendly. I love that you actually have real buttons that you can press to get back to your home screen. Very easy to use that. Now your smartphone connection, I'm filming this on my phone, so it's kind of hard to demonstrate that, but you can plug your smartphone in right down there, and then you can plug it in and use your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, bring up all your maps and whatnot. Super easy to use. And of course, the Accord has a nice big back seat, nice folding armrest back there as well. And our EX trim level does come with the standard room. One touch power open and close with the tilt feature as well. And the dual zone climate control is very nice. I don't know about you guys, but my wife likes it a little bit warmer than me. And I might like it a little bit cooler over here. And that's a nice touch too, how it changes colors whenever you're adjusting that. Really like that. So Honda Sensing stuff, pretty easy to use. We'll go over that on the test drive though. So let's take this thing out for a spin. All right, taking a seat in the Accord here. Let's take it out for a spin. All right, coming up to the stop sign here, we'll go ahead and engage our brake hold feature. And once we come to a complete stop, it'll say it's holding it still right there, and you can take your foot off the brake and relax. Then just step back on the gas and it'll continue to follow the vehicle in front of you. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there it's showing you what the speed limit is. Now it's only going to show that once you turn around the corner. It'll show you that once you actually pass up the speed limit sign, it'll tell you what the speed limit is on that road. By the way, if you don't want to see just the tachometer, you press your home button right here, pull up things like your range and fuel, speed and time, what's playing on the music, You have a driver attention monitor. So basically what this does is the vehicle's always going to be monitoring what your driving habits are, and it can kind of determine based off your steering and throttle inputs and braking whether you're getting tired or not, and it will actually alert you that it might be time to pull over, get a caffeinated beverage, change driver, something like that. And scroll up here. So average fuel on this one's put about 31.4 miles per gallon. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and we're going to try out the Honda Sensing Suite over on this stretch of road here. So first things first, press your main button right there, and that will activate the system, get it prepared. Press this button right here, and there's your lane keeping assist activated. And once you get over 45 miles per hour, you'll see the lane markings get filled in white, and you'll see the car kind of steering itself around the corner there. So really neat to have that feature. Love that on the longer drives. It really makes the drive so much more comfortable. You know, you can glance out the windows a little bit on the side and enjoy the beautiful cornfields here in Ohio or wherever you're road tripping to. Now, it might be subtle to you guys, but if you're driving a little bit more aggressively, you're going to notice the outside, the outline on your instrument panel is going to be white, and then as you get a little bit more efficient, you're going to see it's going to fade into green if you drive a little bit more efficiently. By the way, we do have the Econ mode button right there. Go ahead and press that, and it's going to boost your fuel mileage as well. It does that a couple different ways. You're going to have a little bit less throttle response, so I recommend if you are using it, if you need to merge onto the highway or pass someone, go ahead and turn that off. And it also gives you a little bit less power to your accessories such as heating and air conditioning. Alright, so we've got our lane keeping assist activated. So we're just cruising, so we'll set our cruise control. So when you get it set, you can see your set speed is 58 there. And you can use this button right here to adjust your following distance. Now that car-shaped box right there, it's empty. So you can't, the car in front of us is so far ahead it can't really detect it with the radar just yet. But if it were close enough, it would detect that. And by the way, the low speed follow on this adaptive cruise control makes it really great compared to a lot of the competition, because it'll actually bring you all the way down to complete stop with the car in front of you, and then it'll continue to follow the vehicle in front of you as you move forward. Well, hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If you or someone you know is looking for a vehicle, give us a shout out here at Thayer Honda at 419-354-2222, or you can reach us on Facebook or at thayerhonda.com. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of your week. See you guys.